today we're playing Ragdoll Engine, and I am with kkbob this...
Again?
What? She just bombed us. What? What? Nah.
I cannot find my F button.
It's right here. Your F button's right there. The line. Well, let's see. I've never played this game before, so I don't really know what to do. Oh, a cannonball. Wait, can I go inside? Yeah, I can. I'm gonna go inside of here.
Yeah.
Inside of here.
I'm gonna go rattling.
3, 2. Woo! Blech. They shut them. I'm gonna get inside again. F. Let me press it and... No, the wrong way! Wrong way! Ugh, is this a speed pad? Yes, it's a speed pad. Let's go in the can. Whoa, it's a dead guy. He's dead. Look at his leg. He's completely dead. Well, what is... Ow!
Ow.
Ugh. What happened to my pose? Like, doing a weird split or something. I can't get up. Help, help. Oh, I think you're in that building. Let me go in there. So much people are typing. There's 99 plus. How did you get up? How did you get up there?
I went downstairs.
Where's stairs?
In the inside.
Oh, there's stairs. Here. I did not see the stairs. I'm gonna head to the very top.
I mean, that's what I'm doing. I wonder how this shit goes. Ow! I'm scared.
Okay, hurry. Hurry. Come on, I can make it to the top. Then jump out of the window and become a ragdoll. Why would I want to jump out of the window? Wait, is this a hotel?
I don't know.
It's a very tiny hotel, but with a bunch of floors.
So much floors!
Because if you want, what if one floor was one hotel room, guest room, that you can rent or something? Then you would, if yours was on the very top, you would have to go inside of everyone's rooms to get into your room. I once had this hotel in real life, and all my cousins and relatives, there was a door that led to the other room, and all my cousins were there.
How high is this gonna go?
I know, it's taking forever.
Wait, zoom out and see how
Oh
high.
my, I'm not even close to the top. Nope. You're way less close.
Okay,
I'm running through the floors. Okay, guys, if you don't want to see me running up the stairs, then you can skip to the video. I don't know what time, though, because I'm really bad at time. I'm only 8 years old. My sister's 10. I can buy a car, though, because I'm rich. No, I'm not rich. I don't want to waste my Robux on anything.
I don't want to go up there.
Some stairs. Okay, you guys can skip the video if you would like, but I can't, because this is live. Okay, it's not live when you watch it, but when I'm filming it, it's live.
This boring way.
Oof. Which boring way?
This way. I have to keep jumping.
Oh, wow. Whoa, what happened? Climb. 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 Okay,
So it's like you can't skip it if you want.
Ah, I'm still not close to the top. I've been like halfway through though. At least I'm halfway. Okay, so you're gonna have to skip a far bunch. This is taking forever. Like each 5 seconds I go through 30 floors. And there's so much floors.
No, this is a bunch of stairs to jump on.
This is taking forever.
This is too good. Yes, I made it to the top!
Already? Well, I'm trying to go to the top of the house. And I have to keep doing a obstacle.
I think I saw you. Let's see, look out the window and see if you can see me.
Wait, I have to beat these stairs. And my name is House.
I can't believe I made it. Are you mad?
Okay, so, we're gonna call ourselves our nicknames, not our real names, because we can't tell our real names. So, Star's nickname is Kate, my nickname is Catherine, and kkbob's nickname is Jennifer.
Somebody keeps typing things.
I know. I made it to the top! Well, I can bungee jump. Oh, I made it to the top of the building! Finally!
You're higher than me.
I'm way higher than you, yeah, you're right.
Well, we better just squiggle down.
Wait, what? We're gonna go down? Wait, I have to go to where you are. Let me just quickly grab the checkpoint. Checkpoint. Jump! No, I'm ragdolling. No! I'm ragdolling. I'm becoming a ragdoll. F. I have to jump all the way up. I fell down. Fell like halfway down.
Waiting for you.
Oh, I still have to jump a big bunch. Jump, 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 jump. Come on. I can do it. I'm at the top. Yes, I'm gonna dance here. Let me dance, let me dance, let me dance. Let me tilt. Whoa! I'm tilting. Oh my gosh. Press T. When you press T, it's so weird.
Oh, yeah.
It makes me dizzy. Okay, well, we're gonna be press F, go on this part of the stairs, and then press F, and then press T, okay? 3, 2, 1, FT,
FT.
FT, FT. Whoa! Oh, I'm so dizzy. You can skip this if you want because it's so dizzy. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
What? Oh my gosh, that was weird. That made me go so dizzy. Oh, I'm so. We're landed like we are the people that fell down from the United States rocket ship. The dizzy trip down. No, they left it. They blasted off without us. Follow me. Come here, come here. No, look behind you. Right here, I'm jumping. Come here. Okay, now follow me. We're gonna go on here. Oh, we have to wait a few seconds. Okay, keep pressing the button. Keep pressing the button. Okay, you can skip again. This will take a minute or two. And we're going to get inside of a hot air balloon. Okay, you have to work really hard to get inside of the hot air balloon. Because this will spawn the hot air balloon and we're going to go inside of the hot air balloon. Okay? Don't press the button though. Okay, it's been 1 minute. Let's wait. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Go in, quick, quick.
I am already in. Somebody hopped in.
It's okay, it's okay. You have to go in the hot air balloon. Oh, we're flying, we're flying. No, they missed it. They missed the trip.
No.
F. Ooh. No, I was about to fall. Whoa, I'm sliding. Whoa. What's going on? No! Abandoned ship. Oh, I just fell off. Whoa.
I'm the only
Oof.
one on. And what happened?
Oh, I see the other person that fell. Now we're going to have to wait more seconds. This is the place where it explodes.
Oh, this is so crazy.
Ow. Boom.
Did you see me? I have to look up and see if you can see me.
Oh, I see you. This is the land where everything explodes. No. No.
It's keep going crazy walking. Can you see me still now? Can you still see me now?
Jump off the balloon.
I can't. It's still weird.
Jump off.
I jumped off.
I don't see you. You're conducting land. Oh, I saw you. Oh, you just boinged over there. Okay, go to the hot air balloon place.
Wait.
Ah, keep your landing inside of the fence.
Okay, where is it?
Well, at least now I'm not in the fence anymore.
Don't press it yet. Tell them there. I just beat.
Come on, I'm about to click the button. Okay, come on in. Go on the circle. Go on the circle. And, okay, get in, quick. Okay, this girl's coming with us. Don't click the F button. Don't click that button. Oh, she's not in anymore. Oh, now she's in. Oh, we're flying. We're going.
Look how it's connected. I saw a pool. There's a pool.
Where pool?
There.
Where?
There's a pool.
Oh, a pool. There's a pool for us to ragdoll in. Oh, it's swaying. It's swaying. Oh, no, I fell.
I'm the last survivor again.
Jump off. Let's go inside the swimming pool. Let's go inside of the swimming pool. Whoa, I just saw something just... Oh my gosh, I see things flinging everywhere. Oh my gosh, what was that? What did you do? Well, let's head into the pool anyways. This is too risky.
What's that thing?
Finish.
Why is I vanish?
No, I'm gonna climb up this ladder. Okay, watch me jump. 3, 2, 1, jump! Oof.
Wait, somebody just told me. She drank a potion. She drank a potion.
I don't know where they're getting this stuff. Maybe they have to buy it. Let's go to the rocket ship.
I can't. I'm stuck.
Oh, it's ready. It's ready.
Ready?
Are you still a ragdoll? I'm gonna make sure no one presses the button. Quick, people are coming. They're about to press the button. I'll help you. Run. Dun. Yeah. 'Cause baby tonight. Come on. No. You press the button. Okay, get in. Quick. Okay, good. Okay, we're in. Dude, why'd you press the button? Okay, you have to keep it balanced. You have to stay in the middle, Giga. Stay in the middle. Oh no, they set a bomb! No! Oh my gosh. Seriously. No. Seriously, we just got in there. Seriously, dude. Ah, that's what you get. You exploded us. You get exploded too. And you're not amazing Sparks. I have to wait all over you. What? Don't touch me. Don't touch me. He threw another bomb. Giga, watch out!
I forgot.
Oh no, you went inside of the fence of the bombs. Quick, go out, quick! There's exploding things in there. Go out, quick! Run out! At least they're out. Okay, only a few seconds left. Okay, and after this, I think we're gonna end the video. So. I'm ready. Oh, he's actually flying. Wait, what? Is he actually flying or not?
Oh, I'm sticking down. Make it ready.
Oh no, I'm a ragdoll. No.
I'm stuck in the ground.
No.
No.
Okay, you.
No.
No.
I'm stuck in the ground.
No, you're not on. You're not. Okay, good. You're on. Stay in the middle. Stay away from them. Stay away from them. They can hurt you. Then you'll die. No. Whoa. Okay, I hope that we can actually get you.
This was only one.
No.
I'm the only one.
How do you stay on like that? Well, anyways, guys, I think that's all for today. Please like and subscribe and comment down below if you like this video. It would help us a lot.
If you want to survive on the hot air balloon, you have to become a